Grove Road.
Jax. Yeah, he knows Jax. We have to change his name.
This route avoids a road closure on East C470. You are on the fastest route. In a quarter mile, turn left onto Barclay Avenue.
Silas. Silas. Hi, Silas. He's so using my toe as comfort. It's okay. So you can see he's scared, but he's fighting it.
Yeah, and we could start a channel that.
Good boy, Silas. It's okay.
Look, Silas. Jax.
What are you doing? It's not just to hang out over here.
Come on. Hey, come on. Come on.
Probably because he's used to being outside like
Jax,
this.
Come on.
He thinks it's like time to relax now or
Yeah.
something. Because
Come
he's
on,
used
let's
to
go.
like. Oh, meow. Silas! Do you know your name now? Silas!
He's so good.
I know, he smells like a pup.
The car smells good.
Yeah. Exploring, tail wagging. And that's his food over there. I introduced him to the fan. Now he doesn't want to move. He just wants to lay. I think puppies are precious because they just came from heaven. It wasn't that long ago. How long ago was it, Silas? It was 10 weeks ago? What was it like up there? Let me see. Hmm. Woo! Windy. Up.
I never knew what that was called, but I know what you're talking about now.
It's
So
okay.
doesn't flap the other way when the horse goes.
You did a very good pup, and you deserve a treat.
Oh, he was trying to do the thing. He thought you were going to ask him to shake or something.
Yeah. I figured like birds trying to
Yeah.
break it into like thirds.
Yeah, he's not a big boy yet.
And lift this away. You good pup.
He loves you already. Only had him like 24 hours.
Here, Kurt. You're a full-fledged pup. Don't let anybody ever tell you different.
Right, boy? Having a clean place is out of the question. No, he's allowed to do it, but you know, just makes the place look bad. Well, see, now with the garbage can in the closet, things are a little bit harder, right? Oh, he's looking at us. He's looking at himself in the mirror. What? What's over there? What about this pup, Mom? He's cute. And he's a really good boy. What are you thinking? Are you mad I won't let you go in the trash? I know, it's such a bad life.